Having a place out here in the woods has its advantages. It provides a lot of wild edibles, a lot of really special meals that I try to take advantage of. Today we're going to have one of my favorites. It's not a wild edible. It's going to come from my garden, but a lot of people overlook eating these. And I've had them many times. Get into the garden, show you what I'm talking about. It's the flowers that are on squash plants. These happen to be summer squash. And I'm going to get in here and harvest me a few of these flowers on the male plants, on the male portion of the stem. Leave the female ones primarily because they're the ones that are producing the fruit. Let's get these cooked up. July 13th. Just gonna rinse out these flowers. Make sure there's no bugs inside of them. And I'll show you how we do that. Real simple here. You want to take off this green on the back side of this flower. Cut it just like that. And open it up. Like inside, make sure there's no bugs in there. That's perfect. A little light rinse. And I'm just going to leave that open. Do that to the other ones as well. These are amazing to eat. And there you have it. These are cleaned out. And you don't need a lot of them. These make for a very, very good snack. Okay, let's move on. Okay, next step. Flour. Egg bath. And you just want to dip them in that egg a little bit. Dredge them through the flour. Like that, light coating, shake them off. I like doing this in early spring with fiddleheads as well. Okay, got them all floured up. Contact. Olive oil, not Popeye. Black pepper. Oh yeah, perfect. Just a light brown. All is done except the enjoyment. There they are. Now it's time just to enjoy them. Very mild flavor.